Fully extend refractable thread stand. Raise dark lower presser foot with presser foot lifter. Reduced presser foot pressure. Increase presser foot pressure. Decrease thread tension. Increase thread tension. The smaller the number, the shorter the stitch. The larger the number, the longer the stitch. Differential feed 0.7 to 1 for non-puckering seams in wovens. Differential feed 1 to 2 for wave-free seams in knitwear. Rolled hem selection lever. Cutting width dial. Cutting width indicator, default setting 6. To detach the cutoff bin, pull it upwards and tilt it to the front. Open looper cover by pulling to the right and lowering to the front. Open sewing table by swinging it to the left. Knife activating knob, push and turn to raise or lower the upper knife. Close sewing table. Close looper cover. Open looper cover. Turn hand wheel to threading position. Raise presser foot. Thread tensions are open. Remove presser foot for greater visibility. Fully extend retractable thread stand. Set thread spool onto spool holder. Thread pretension and thread tension. Insert the thread into the thread guides. Thread through the thread guides on the lower looper. Push down the lower looper threader lever. Thread through the thread guides on the lower looper. Thread the lower looper eye. Pull about 4 inches of thread to the back. Thread pretension and thread tension. Insert the thread into the thread guides. Guide the thread into the upper curved needle, through the eye of the upper curved needle. Pull about 4 inches of thread to the back and place it under the presser foot. Thread pretension and thread tension. Pull the thread through the thread guide. Continue to thread into the lower take-up lever slot and through the right slot in the thread guide. Finally, thread through the right slot in the needle holder thread guide. Thread the right needle eye. Pull about 4 inches of thread to the back and place it under the presser foot. Thread pretension and thread tension. Pull the thread through the thread guide. Continue to thread into the lower take-up lever slot and through the left slot in the thread guide. Finally, thread through the left slot in the needle holder thread guide. Thread the left needle eye. pull about 4 inch of thread to the back and place it under the presser foot. Put back the presser foot. Turn the hand wheel several times counterclockwise to see if a chain is formed. Plug in power cord and foot control. Turn on the machine. Ready for sewing test, 4 thread. Let's make a test. Adjust of stitch length. Adjust of differential feed. Rolled hem selection lever deactivate. Different types of fabrics require that the tensions be adjusted in each case.